What's up everybody, this is Jay and this is a $800 gaming PC build. With this build, you will be able to play games that demand a lot from your rig, like Battlefield 4 and upcoming releases like Dark Souls 2, all that in high settings and in 1080p. Let's get to the build. The processor will be a AMD FX 6350. This 6-core processor comes with 3.9 GHz and the capability of overclock as well. The cost of this one is $140. The motherboard will be a Gigabyte GA990FX AUD3. This great motherboard comes with 4 slots of memory, supporting up to 32 gigs of RAM with a dual channel feature as well. This board also supports 2-way SLI and Crossfire. The cost of this one is $137. The memory I choose is the Corsair Vengeance DDR3 1600 MHz. With 8 gigs of RAM, this is a great memory that costs $78. For the hard drive, the Western Digital Caviar Blue with 1TB is a great choice that costs $60. The video card will be a GTX 760 from NVGA. This card comes with 2 gigs of RAM and a memory interface of 256-bit. This SLI ready card is a great choice to put in this build and it costs $256. The power supply is a Corsair CX600 with 600 watts of power and the 80+ bronze certification, which make this a great choice for this build. The cost of this one is $70. The case will be a Rosewield Challenger, great case that costs $40. All the links for you to buy the parts will be in the description below. Note that the prices may change with time. I've made other videos showing other builds that you can do with more or less money than this one. You can check them out clicking in the annotation on the screen. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching and until the next video.